Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable carrot treat holder that looks so cute in an Easter basket. So first what you want to do is go out and find where you saved your SVG file onto your device. Select it and then go ahead and hit upload. Then click on it and come over and hit add to canvas. So now it is in your Cricut design space. And we're almost ready to go. Here you can resize it if you want. I've sized it to fit on an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock because those are often come in packs and you can find those cheaper. So when I can, I like to keep it to that size. If you want to make it larger, feel free. So here's your chance to resize it if you want. I'm not going to, but the very important thing that you do have to do before you cut it is, right now these are cut lines. It says basic cut. So we want to click on those. We want to come over to operation and we want to go down to score. And then we want to either select both layers over in your layers panel, or you can just drag and select them all this way. And then go ahead and hit attach. So now we are ready to go. We can hit the make button. And since I'm using 65-pound cardstock, I am just going to select medium cardstock. And I'm using my Maker 3 to make it, so you'll notice it comes up and it tells me that it's going to use my scoring wheel first. If you're on your Maker 3 and you don't have a scoring wheel, but you do have the stylus, you can edit it and come in and apply it there. If you are on your Explore Air, then you can just go ahead and use your stylus because that does not have the option for the wheel. So we want to add our cardstock to the mat, and I always use my trusty brayer to make sure that it is attached well so it doesn't slide around when cutting. And then we're going to go ahead and load it in, and we will be scoring first, so we will need to load our scoring wheel. If you are using your stylus or your Cricut Air Explorer, that's fine. Just go ahead and put the stylus in. We are done scoring, so we will switch out and put our fine point blade back in. If you have the Explore Air, you don't have to do this because it's in slot A, your stylus is. So we have our cut and scored piece. So what we will want to do first is crease along all the score lines. I like to use my bone creaser tool for this, but you can use your fingers or whatever other tool you have around. Once you're finished with that, you'll go ahead and put some glue on the outside tab. Then you'll fold the tab over. You'll want to make sure it stays on the inside of the box. Line up those edges. And then go ahead and press it down while it's lined up and wait for that glue to tack or dry. I use Barely Art glue and it tacks very quickly. Once that's together, then go ahead and grab your candy or grab your treat and fill your carrot box with your special treats. Then take the two loops at the top and pull them together so they're touching each other. And go ahead and take one of the flaps with the slit in it and take those loops and pull them through that slit. And then take the other side and do the same thing. Perfect. So now to keep it all together, we will take our ribbon and we will slide it through. I like to use 1.5 inch wire ribbon, and the hole is made just big enough for that to be able to work through. So work it through slowly. I wouldn't recommend going any bigger. You can definitely go smaller if you want. And I do like the wire because it sticks up, so it makes it look like that cute little carrot top without your carrot top being all floppy. So once you get it through, go ahead and tie a knot and then trim the ends. And you are done. It is that quick and easy, and you have this adorable treat box. It's made out of just one tiny little piece of cardstock, and it is ready to make your Easter basket extra special this year.